Hey guys, so I wanted you to put a face to the name. I am Maleeka, and hey, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to jump on because I know I normally just do a quick little voiceover for a lot of my property tours that I've done prior to, and I just want you to see me in action. I am a real person, and today I'm actually headed to East Point to check out this new construction property, and I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to take you on a virtual tour, and if you are interested, if you're looking to move to Georgia, reach out to me. You can drop a comment in the comments. I'll reach out to you directly, or you can send me an email, or you can click the link in my bio. It's all attached to get in contact with me directly if you are looking to buy, sell, invest. So yeah. All right, guys, here we are in East Point, Georgia, checking out this new construction property. We are 7 minutes away from the Atlanta airport, minutes away from Porsche headquarters, as well as Chick-fil-A headquarters. We're also literally just across the street from Egan Park. Check out the property features. So welcome home. As you step inside, you're greeted by a light-filled living room complete with an attention-grabbing electric fireplace, setting the perfect tone for comfort and style. The open floor plan flows seamlessly into the dining area and kitchen, anchored by another stunning fireplace. The chef's kitchen is a showstopper, featuring a large quartz waterfall island, high-end smart black stainless steel appliances, and a full-size pantry. On the main level, you'll find a warm-toned hardwood floor throughout, along with a spacious bedroom and full bath, perfect for guests or multi-generational living. This home is also certified energy efficient, featuring high UV energy rated windows, ample storage options, including an oversized 2-car garage and a built-in mudroom. As you enjoy the rest of the tour, let me know what you think. Put it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to anyone you know who may be in the market looking for a new construction property in Atlanta or in the outskirts. You may email me directly at mharris@norluxrealty.com. Or click the link in my bio. It will lead you to my website, maleeka.harris.norluxrealty.net, which will allow you to check out any new construction properties and your criteria. Enjoy the rest of the tour. Bye.